All right, so I want to make a quick appeal to everybody that's been messaging in from Instagram, Facebook, and on the social medias in general, just asking about like what level of athletes do we work with. And we've definitely shown today that we train athletes from beginner all the way up. In fact, today we've mostly been working with beginners. One thing that I want to talk about is people are emailing, messaging in, asking like, all these questions. And basically they're getting at they've never trained before. So I want to appeal to all the fucking nerds out there. I just got these glasses, so I'm definitely one of you now. I'm definitely a nerd. And I think it's pretty funny. I didn't grow up with the Charles Atlas comics, but I grew up reading muscle and fitness magazines, and they always reference this Charles Atlas character. And basically what it was, in the 50s and 60s, it was like this weak, skinny kid, and he was on the beach, and this big bully would come over and kick sand in his face. And so to deal with that, he went and he pumped some iron, got big, got confident, and was able to come back with this big, broad chest and beat some bully ass. And the thing about it is like when you start talking about weightlifting, it definitely appeals to people that are systematic in their approach to life. They're systematic in their jobs. So at Lift Lab, we're a safe haven for weirdos. We invite you in. We have a ton of computer programmers, engineers, lawyers, and people that are just extremely analytical. And in weightlifting, in bodybuilding, in powerlifting, there's tons of math, there's tons of counting, there's tons of repetition, there's tons of graphing, charting, tracking. All right, so my point being in strength sports and Olympic weightlifting, powerlifting, bodybuilding, or if you're somebody that's just training strength in general, there's a lot of counting, right? There's a lot of repetition, there's a lot of process, and that process leads to success. So somebody with a real analytical mind that's in math, engineering, science, startup companies, whatever, they may not have a ton of sport history, but they have a lot of things that are going to tend to gear them towards success in the sport. My point being is you don't have to be some super jock or some super athlete to come in here and see a huge result when you're training. We invite everybody to come check out the gym. Like we showed you today, we have more newbies than we do advanced lifters, right? So we have more people who are taken from 0 to 60. All right, so don't be afraid. Come in, get assessed, come in for free. Shit, try it out. But hey, I'm a nerd. He's a nerd. Deshaun's a nerd. I don't know if you just saw Deshaun lift. Super geek, right? Super geek. We got math professor over there, accountants, everybody. All right, so it's not just for jocks. It's not just for athletes. It's for all of you.